Clervaux is a small town in the Luxembourg Ardennes located on the river Clervaux inside the nature park, not far from the point where Belgium, Germany, and Luxembourg meet. Its two main attractions are its abbey and its castle, with its photographic exhibition The Family of Man. Clervaux, the heart of the Luxembourg Ardennes, is the ideal destination for a short stay in nature or in a comfortable hotel. Welcome to Clervaux. Clervaux Castle can trace its origins back to the 12th century, but most of what we can see today is the result of a rebuilding in the 17th century. The castle also includes the Battle of the Bulge Museum, with an extensive collection of American, German, and Luxembourgeois artifacts from World War II, and an exhibition of models of the castles and palaces of Luxembourg. The parish church of Sts Côme et Damien in Clervaux, built in 1910–1911 in the Rhenish-Romanesque style, impresses with its striking dome above the altar and its majestic twin towers with melodic chimes. The church building combines harmonious proportions both outside and inside and is characterized by original Christian symbols. Its exterior design with the dominant twin tower facade surrounded by smaller towers gives the building a charming appearance. The basilica-like layout, quarry stone from the Ardennes and ornate mosaics give the church a significant historical presence. Inside, works by Lambert Piedboeuf, including the impressive mosaic in the choir room, create a spiritual atmosphere. The ornate stained glass windows were recreated by Gustav Zanter after the fighting in the Second World War. The organ and bells add to the impressive heritage of this church. In 1927 to 1930, the old castle became private property, and since 1935 has been on the list of buildings and objects classified as national monuments. The Battle of the Bulge, during the winter of 1944 to 1945, made it a lamentable ruin, acquired by the Luxembourg state, then superbly restored. Clervaux Creek Monument. Monument from 1899, commemorating the uprising of Luxembourg farmers in 1798 against Napoleon. Clervaux Abbey. In 1901, the Benedictine monks of Clervaux Abbey in France were obliged to leave the country by new legislation. They first moved to Belgium and then chose Clervaux as their new home. They hired the Dutch architect Johann Frans Klomp, who was busy finishing the new parish church in Clervaux, to design their new abbey, and moved there in 1910. The community has lived in Clervaux ever since, apart from 4 years during the German occupation in the Second World War. The monks have become famous for reviving the tradition of Gregorian chant, and have made several recordings. The Icelandic writer Halldór Laxness, 1902–1998, converted to Christianity during a retreat at the abbey and helped it set up a mission in Iceland. Klomp's distinctive Rhenish-Romanesque architectural style can be admired in the abbey buildings and also in the parish church of St Côme and St Damien, completed in 1912.